Hi guys, it's Nunu and I'm here in discussion 3, exploring credible primary, secondary, and tertiary data sources about student success rates in the U.S. 120 points, 1,000 words. Let's survey this assignment. We have 4 links right here that you need to click on, and this assignment does have a part 1 and a part 2, and it is fairly detailed, okay? Lots of information here on the screen as we research data sources. Okay, I'm going to click on one of these links. It's our discussion 3, part 1 and part 2 due dates. Okay, so our timeline. This discussion assignment takes place during week 3 and week 4. It has 2 due dates. Submit part 1 by 11:59 p.m. on Friday, February 22nd, and submit part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Friday, March 1st. Now, it may be tempting to think, because you have other classes, that, well, I have 2 weeks, I have week 3 and week 4 to complete this assignment. Maybe I'll start on the weekend of week 3, or I'll start here in week 4, and that would be a very bad idea. This discussion is very detailed, and you do need to submit the different parts on time. Part 1 by Friday, February 22nd, and part 2 by 11:59 p.m. on Friday, March 1st. If you think you're going to be late with this assignment, please tell me immediately. Email me here in inbox and tell me what's up. When you fall behind in submitting an assignment on time, I'm concerned because your chances for success decrease and I'm not able to give you prompt feedback. So do not submit an assignment late without chatting with me first here in inbox, okay? I'm going to go back into the assignment. I'm going to remind you again to click on all of these links and that you have a part 1 and a part 2. This assignment takes place over 2 weeks, and you will need to begin work right away, okay? If you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in inbox, and never worry about emailing me or emailing me too much. You need to email me as many times as you need to if you notice something about the assignment or you have questions, okay? And no questions are ever stupid or silly, or if you just need to chat. All right, I'm here and I care about your learning, so remember that. All right, let's get going.